Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Cindy, also known as the Scrapbook Cowgirl, and you can find me at scrapbookcowgirl.com. I've been a close to my heart maker for almost 26 years, and we found out on February 27th that Close to My Heart would be closing its doors on April 30th. It's been a very emotional time, but Close to My Heart and Stampin' Up have worked very hard to make sure that we have a new place to call home and to continue to teach and share paper crafting with all of you. So I signed up last week with Stampin' Up and my starter kit just came. So today I'm doing an unboxing of my Stampin' Up Demonstrator starter kit. So I would love to show you everything that I chose. We got to select $125 worth of products for our kit. And so I thought I'd share with you what products I chose since everyone's kits will be different. So I attended an event for leaders at the Stampin' Up home office a few weeks ago in Utah. And Stampin' Up was so generous, we received over $300 in products. So I personally chose some things that would coordinate with the products that I received at the leadership event. So others may choose very different items to start their business, but I wanted to make sure I had coordinating items that would all go together. So we received some business supplies in our starter kit, including some postcards so that we can have gatherings or parties, workshops. So we have those, so some business supplies. We got a box of 8 brand new, beautiful catalogs. So the annual catalog for Stampin' Up runs from May 1st, 2024 through April of 2025. So this goes live to the public on May 1st, and that's the first day that I will officially be a Stampin' Up demonstrator. So it's a gorgeous catalog. I can't wait to share so many things with all of you. I'll be learning not only a brand new company, but all new product line. So absolutely gorgeous cover with this resist pattern. So looking forward to sharing that with all of my customers. We also got this beautiful folder. You'll see this design on a lot of their business supplies right now. Gorgeous floral, but it's a folder with a welcome letter and branded ink pen that says Stampin' Up on it. So that's to keep all of our business supplies together. And then they have a mini catalog. And so this mini catalog runs from January through April of this year. So it's fixing to expire at the end of the month. But you'll get 2 different mini catalogs each year and then the annual catalog. So tons of fun supplies in there. So I don't think we're going to have any issue with running out of things to create with. And these were some hostess envelopes, so some more business supplies. So then the products that I chose, I invested in the Stampin' Up paper trimmer. So it's branded Stampin' Up. And so been using the Fiskars paper cutter for many years. So this is very different. So it's got a cutting and scoring blade. And I've heard really good things about this paper trimmer. So wanted to make sure I got that and started using the paper trimmer from Stampin' Up. So I can't wait to get started with that. It has a ruler that extends up to 17 inches. Then we also got a paper pumpkin that came automatically. This is the subscription program that Stampin' Up offers. And so packaged so cute, right? Inside there is a mini stamp set. So this one has sentiments that says 1,000 good luck wishes, hello friend, wishing you all the best. So very cute. And then there's a ink spot, a Stampin' Spot in the color of Pebbled Path. And then there's instructions on how to become a subscriber. And this is packaged so pretty, isn't it? With the tissue paper. But inside you get everything to put together a selection of cards. So you've got your bases, your envelopes, your bling, All of that to make these beautiful cards. Aren't they gorgeous? This one's called All the Best, and it looks like it was from December of 2023. So can't wait to put those together. So very cute. So love that. And so you can subscribe and get that each month, the paper pumpkin. And I'm sure many of you have done that before. So you'll have to put in the comments if you've tried out the paper pumpkin subscription before. Oops, let me put my little ink and stamp back in there so I don't lose those. Cute, right? And then I wanted to compare the blending brushes from Stampin' Up to the ones we've been using. So I got a package of their blending brushes, so super soft, feel like what we've been using at Close to My Heart. The head might be a little bit smaller on these. And then I also got the stand, so you can stack your, you see it, I think it might go that way, but there's a, have to look in the catalog, right? But you can stand your blending brushes right in the organizer there and have one for each color. And all of the organizing products from Stampin' Up are all in white, where our Close to My Heart Workspace Wonder were always black. So have to check that out. So blending brushes, because I love mixed media. I also ordered the Stampin' Blend markers. So these are double tipped markers, and this is one color, and this one is the Pretty in Pink. And so Stampin' Up has 5 what they call in colors, and so I got the cardstock in the in colors as well to coordinate, so we can flip through those. So they come out with 5 colors, where Close to My Heart had a color of the year. And these last for 2 years instead of just 1. So aren't they so pretty? It's gorgeous colors, right? So that is the 5 in colors for this year. So beautiful. Hope those are in frame where you guys can see them. I also got some of the shimmer gems in the in colors. So I'd have some bling to match and create. I grabbed some ribbon, and this one's Petunia Pop. And so it looks like it matches this one here, the more purpley color. So some ribbon, so I could create some cards or scrapbook page and add some ribbon. We haven't had a lot of ribbon lately at Close to My Heart, so it'll be fun to have all those embellishments. This is the mini Stampin' Dimensionals, which is like our foam dots or foam tape, so to add dimension to your projects. So I grabbed some of those so I could try those out. I also got a package of blades for my trimmers, so have to have some refill blades, right? And then this pack of paper is called Country Woods. And you know, as a country girl, I love all the wood patterns. So this one has some gorgeous wood grains, all different shades. So those are going to be so fun to create with, right? So love all those different ones. So which one is your favorite? I would love to know. So literally there's every shade of wood in here, including some blue. So my favorite would be right in here, the natural. So, but they're all beautiful, aren't they? So I had to have those to create with. So those will be fun to play with, right? So then I wanted to show you a few of the products that I got when I attended the leaders event at Stampin' Up. And you'll see why I chose the things I did. So this is the in color resin dots. And so again, those 5 in colors that coordinate. So these are like the enamel dots, and these are gems with a little shimmer in them. So those are beautiful together. And then we received the ink pads. So look at these, all the in colors. So all 5, we got those at the leadership event. So if you didn't attend, you might want to get those ink pads in your starter kit. But I've got all the ink now, all the cardstock, some gems, some dots, some ribbon. And then they also gave us a pack of pattern paper that coordinates. So this one is called Unbounded Beauty. So let's rip that open so we can take a peek at the pattern paper that coordinates. You can see right away all those beautiful 5 colors. I'm making a mess with all that cellophane, aren't I? But look how pretty those are. Gorgeous papers, right? So absolutely love all of those. It'll be so fun to create, and everything is going to match, which I absolutely love that we have all the products that go together, right? So slide those right under there. So we've got the cardstock, the pattern paper, the ink pads. They also gave us a pair of their scissors. They call them paper snips. And so we'll be interested to try those compared to our micro tip scissors we've had at Close to My Heart. So look a little bulkier maybe, but similar size. So we got the scissors. And then I got some glimmer paper, they call it, which is like our glitter paper in all those in colors. So let's dig into that so we can see. Ooh, so pretty and sparkly. So look at that. I'm sure you guys are getting some reflection there, but wowie, lots of gorgeous colors, right? So everything that coordinates, so pretty. We also got some stamp sets, and if you're not familiar with Stampin' Up, they come in like a DVD case. So they snap open and your clear stamps are inside. You can stick them to the back. It comes with cellophane to protect. But I received several stamp sets, some florals, some sentiments. That's an embossing folder that goes with it. That one's called Unbounded Love with lots of pretty sentiments. And let's see, they gave us a bone folder. So we've got a bone folder that's branded with the Stampin' Up name. And let's see, so many things. They also gave us one of their card kits. And I love the way this is packaged. I absolutely love that black check ribbon. So we'll be saving and using that on projects for sure. Gorgeous, right? Get that out of our way, but let's see what's in here. So this is like a home decor project, looks like, with frames. So very cute kit. Look at all the things we're going to be able to create. So it looks like there's 4 frames in there, and then 4 photos. So there's the instructions to put together. It's called Happy Houseplants Kit. And so you can make some home decor to hang on your walls. Those are super cute, would make great gifts. So I just love the packaging for the kits. It's really cute. So I hope that you loved seeing all the fun things that I got in my Stampin' Up starter kit, and also the things that I received by attending the Stampin' Up leadership event a few weeks ago in Utah. So I hope to be doing a lot more videos. I thought this was a great time to get started on my YouTube channel as I make this transition from Close to My Heart to Stampin' Up. Again, after almost 26 years with Close to My Heart. It's a brand new beginning, a new chapter, and I look forward to sharing all of this goodness with you. So thanks for watching, and you can find me at scrapbookcowgirl.com. Thank you.